Hi, I'm Paul Holly with Burr Manufacturing, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on our new model X400. This is the first machine to our prosumer line that we have came up with. Quick details on the machine: 1 horsepower motor. The bonus to this smaller size machine is this machine is still running 8,000 surface feet per minute, a real critical situation to be able to remove material quick. One of the first things we'll go over is how simple and easy it is to be able to do belt change on this machine. One latch, the door opens right up. You have a handle here to be able to lock the belt in place. Just push down, place the handle in place. Now you're easily able to slide the belt right off. Same steps for reassembling the belt. Slide it right in place, pull out the handle, and now you've got the belt back on. Another quick feature with this machine is this machine also has tracking on it. This handle right here is your tracking control. You can adjust the tracking to be able to indicate the belt side to side. Okay, in this video we're going to go through and do a quick blade sharpening with the new model X400. As you can tell, that blade is very dull. Most places would just throw that blade away. But with a machine like this, I'm going to show you how you can go through and sharpen this blade real fast and make it worth your time of resharpening the blade. Back the other side. As you can tell, that blade is not only sharp, but it's also not extremely hot. I'm hanging on to it right there at the end where we just got done sharpening at. Sharpening a lawnmower blade will always be a dirty job, no matter what you do. However, if you sharpen a lawnmower blade with an abrasive belt rather than a stone, as you're cutting the blade, all you're going to do is cut the metal. You're not going to get the abrasive dust coming off the stone to drift around through the air. As you can tell, we've got a mess here, but as I'm going to show you, we've got all steel here. We don't have any abrasive dust in this pile.